I actually think data analytics should be important to everybody right now. We have companies that are collecting more information about us than any government ever has, and we need to start understanding how we can work with that data, not only to protect ourselves, but to protect humanity. Our team has been very heavily invested in the last year and a half at UNICEF in analyzing the types of data that come out of our private sector partners. So we can take, for example, the data about where people are moving and find out maybe where a disease is going to travel. That lets us as UNICEF do our job better, but it would also let a government maybe do its planning better or more articulately, and it gives companies a way to provide value back to their customers. I think technology is a tool. Technology is not the end itself. What we try to do in our team is try to find young entrepreneurs who are building open source technology and help encourage them to build technology that can fix humanity. So I'll give you two examples. One is that we're looking at drones and UAVs. We can think of a technology that might be very corporate in its beginning, or very military in its beginning, as having a human application. One other example is the space around data science, hundreds of thousands of people working on data analytics to provide better education, better access to healthcare. That's what our fund really tries to do. Well, I don't know, personally or professionally. I think that professionally the biggest revolution that we see, and personally as well, is not a technology itself, but it's the idea of open source. It's the idea of building technologies that are in the public domain, that anybody can take and adapt and make money on, that can make businesses out of it, but that can actually be collaborative and can connect across governments and domains. So our venture fund, which is unicefinnovationfund.org, allows us to make investments into open source technologies like things around blockchain or drones or UAVs, and connect these various types of technologies into a greater whole. And I think that to me is a more exciting philosophical concept than any of the technologies that are coming out of it. But the technologies themselves are also providing windows into the future.